Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can sign up on POF or Plenty of Fish. It is a dating application. You want to simply go ahead and open the application. Once you have opened it, this is going to be your screen and you want to simply go ahead and tap on continue. So it will basically ask you some questions. So first of all, it says which describes you. If you are a man, you want to go ahead and tap on man, or if you are a woman, you want to simply tap on that, or if you are any other gender, simply tap on more option and you may choose those. I'm going to simply go ahead and choose man and click on next. So now it is simply going to ask you for your ethnicity. You want to simply go ahead and choose within all these options. I'm going to simply do other and tap on next. Now it's going to ask you for your first name. You want to simply go ahead and type your first name right over here and simply tap on next. Once you have done that, as you can see, it will ask you for your birthday. You will have to be over 18 to basically use this app. So simply go ahead and pick your birthday and click on done. And once you have done that, tap on next. So now it will basically ask you for your country and your city. Go ahead and pick your country and your city. And once you have entered your country and your city, it will ask you for your postal code. You want to simply go ahead and enter that. Finally, once you have entered all those and clicked on next, it is going to simply ask you for your email. Finally, once you have entered that, tap on next. And now it's going to simply ask you to create a username, and then you want to go ahead and create a password. Finally, once you have entered your password, you want to simply tap on continue. And now, as you can see, your account will be created. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button.